Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about logic function if, else if and else. Basically these functions work as it works in spreadsheet and SQL. It's very easy and straightforward, and here I want to apply few examples, and here I just type here, for example, x equal to 10 and enter. And here I want to write my first logic if x greater than 0, the result will be positive, and I just type here print positive, enter. You can see here the result is positive. Once again I want to type here if x is less than 8, print for example small, enter. You can see here because x is not less than 8, so it doesn't print anything. And here we can add, in this condition we can add else. In this formula I just type here if x less than 8, print small, else print big and enter. You can see here the result is big here. And likewise we can use if, else if and also else. You just type here, for example, if x less than 8, print small, else if, and here else if the condition x equal to 10, print average, for example else print big, and you can see the result is average here because my x is equal to 10. So that's it. We can use just if, we can use if else, and we can use if else and else logics. So that's it about logic functions. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.